Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's the 31st of October, last day of October. And yeah, let's dive into the charts. We had some beautiful PA yesterday. I couldn't trade. I'm posting a trade breakdown on the long trade on my other account, Trades by Mao. This is the account where I do like trade breakdowns. I'm gonna do indicator breakdowns using the smart money indicator because it's basically the same as my analysis. Well, slightly different, but I can use it. We'll show that along the way. So yeah, and that's why I today start on GU because we can see that we had that range, we had that. So the structure market thing is not working somehow. See, it's a smiley. I don't know what's a smiley, but we have our high, our low, our lower high, and we have our lower low, bullish break, return to discount, and now we have another bullish break to the upside. Of course, because it's a bullish break, right? And this is what we're working with. We took previous daily highs. Now we got new previous daily highs at the high over here. Oops. So we got that one. Then we have previous daily lows, and that's basically the range we're working with. What can we see? We can see that we have a nice demand zone. It's quite big, but it's all right. Over there. So in this case, because that big, we can really use that. Sorry, yeah, 50%, which is just below there. So one tick below. There we go. Sorry, 50%. Can take that off again. This is my 15-minute demand. Oh, 15-minute demand zone. And this is the range we're working with. Now let's start on the daily and see how the daily closed. So that's quite promising. Strong closure to the upside, leaving that wick to the downside, taking into range liquidity, candle closure above that wick, indicating that we might continue higher. We know that we are still inside this bullish range, so we're looking for longs. Oh well. Sorry, we know that we are in a deep discount pricing here, and we are looking for longs there as well. We also know that for this purple structure, we didn't reach back into discount pricing yet, so that's why we might continue lower. But until that happens, we follow our most recent structures. Going to the 1 hour time frame, which you look at that. So strong 4 hour candles, and then closure above, we got that inducement there, then coming higher. Why not inducement more indecisive? Because it was a little pullback after reaching those highs. If you go to the 15, you can see it. Little pullback, continuing up. Now we broke bearish, but we're already inside the discount pricing almost for our bullish leg. And you can see that we're building up internal range liquidity right there. And this is basically my entire analysis for GU. What I'm looking at is price to come into the discount pricing and continue for longs. Now we also know that we broke bearish here. We got that green structure there. I hope this is working. That's working. Okay, that's good. I couldn't have done any worse. We got that low there. Although, hold up, let me check. Got the high that led to that low. No, didn't reach back into it. into premium pricing yet. You can see the price builds up equals there, so that's a nice target here for longs, as well as a area that we can look to start to look at when we're gonna look for shorts from this area. I know it's kind of trend. It's not kind of trend. It's kind of trend on the light blue one, not on the green one. Therefore, we're gonna see what the XY does, because I can't remember what the XY looks like. Well, not in detail. Work with that. So for me today, longs from this area, I don't think that anything else in London session will take place. If anything else takes place in London session, it will be shorts from here. Could be also very valid. We got a previous daily high up here from Wednesday last week. We got yesterday's previous daily highs up here. We got bullish structure selling above all highs after taking equals. This liquidity grab. It's a nice valid setup. Something we can look at. Then we got on the 50-minute, or actually on every time frame, but this is not correct because now we have the different timing. So I have to edit my session indicator. And London now starts at, you have six, yeah, you guys winter time as well. Okay, so London start at 6. What time did it start here? 7, and then yesterday at 6. Okay, so that's a mistake. Because it should be, yeah. So London start at 3. Where's London? Start at 3. There you go. And end at 11. 3 till 6. There we go. And New York still starts at 12. 13. 13 till 5, right? Here's a 12. Yeah, but that's right, because they don't have winter time yet. So the London session has changed yet, and if I'm correct, we can quickly check it out. Actually, there we go. So the news. Yes, winter. First Sunday of November. So that will be this Sunday. All right, so then I'll have to change because this week we opened at 9, which is correct. It would usually be a 10, but because the clock went 1 hour back. Yeah. Sorry, some stupid winter summer time thing. But yeah, for GU, I'm looking for longs here, shorts here, pretty straightforward. High time frame looking good, liquidity building up, it's all there, structure is there. Only thing against my trade is that this one, this lag, but even that one, we took previous daily lows. We are below old lows. We are in discount pricing of the overall bullish lag, so that seems quite valid as well. That's for EU. That's for GU. EU. Internal range liquidity taken. Got that bullish break. We got a low, high, high over a high, low, bullish break. Return to discount pricing. And we can already see what's going on here as well. Let's start marking out our levels first. So we got previous daily highs, previous daily lows. We got internal range liquidity. Now here's the thing. The thingy is that we have this range, this low up to this high, and what we can see is that we have two demand zones. We got this one, didn't take out anything, but still a one that caused the move, so 15-minute demand. And then we have this area as well, where we can look for potential long trades, which is also a 50-minute demand zone. 15. Yep. Looking at the daily, I think it closed quite the same, yeah, as GU. Strong closure to the upside. Still got the trend line. But the fourth quarter. Change your price behavior a little bit. Cleaner ranges as of now, the first month. So might just see it nice, not working its way up quite nicely and take this liquidity and then see how it goes. High time frame wise, we know that we can go lower. We also know that we are below old lows, and we are looking for longs into premium pricing of this blue range. Whether we moving lower or not, we don't know. Why? Well, there's areas up here that are still valid. Things against our trade are this discount area and this key level. So yeah, pretty straightforward. DXY still respecting our support level there, or resistance. Now coming into that discounted area. Not respecting anything here. And we can start to look for longs, lower time frame wise. We got bearish structure. We can look for shorts, just like EU. So all I'm gonna do is just like point this out, give it a markup, knowing that I'm still looking for shorts on DXY. Although we reached into the internal range liquidity, so longs in DXY is quite valid. Longs would mean shorts, but GU and EU are still bullish on that higher time frame. Bit of a tricky one. They're not aligned with DXY. But yeah, so therefore I'm just don't want to go into much detail. It's not necessary. This is what I'm waiting for in DXY, or we just get the move now as we took internal range liquidity. And then get the long. I don't like this color. And then get the long move. And if we get the long move, it would mean that, as expected, because this is so correctional, that we break to the downside here and we break to the downside over here, which is as expected because the correctional price behavior. But until then, we follow most recent structures and look for longs here, shorts there, longs here, and shorts there. All right, that's my pre-market analysis. Catch you guys in the market. Hope you have fun, good luck, and see you guys later. Peace.